Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. I am Professor James Sonne, and I'm so excited because McGraw-Hill has just released my first textbook, the Photographic Dissector for Students of Physical Therapy, a step-by-step approach. You can get this textbook in hard copy, or it's also available on McGraw-Hill F.A. Davis's Access Physiotherapy website. This is the first gross anatomy dissector designed specifically for students of physical therapy. It features step-by-step detailed dissection instructions with pictures, photographs of actual cadaveric dissections at various stages of dissection throughout the textbook, showing each individual step not only in written format but in photographic format as well. Also included are clinical correlates designed specifically for the musculoskeletal emphasis of physical therapy students. In addition to this, at the end of every chapter in my textbook, you'll find a checklist of every important structure that's identified within the dissector, so the students have a clear understanding of what material is important in each section of the human body. Also, at the end of every chapter are licensing exam style test questions with the answers and explanations in the back of the book, so that the students can go later on and check their answers and understand why those answers are correct. Another unique aspect to this dissector, which is designed again for physical therapy students, is that it's divided into two different whole sections. The first focuses on the musculoskeletal system, and it aligns very closely with most kinesiology courses. Then the second half of the textbook jumps into the visceral dissection, starting with the head and neck into the brain, and then following the neck structures into the thorax, finally into the abdomen and pelvis. So in this way, it's kind of a blended type of anatomy course. Instead of just being regional, or instead of just being systems-based, it focuses on these two different aspects which are critical to the understanding of doctor of physical therapy students. So anyway, I hope you check out my textbook. I'm so excited that it has finally been published, and thanks for watching.